We're at the Fairmont Princess at the Hanwha Innovation Summit 2026. This space is different. This is an opportunity to break out of the normal 9 to 5, break out of the conference room, and hopefully enable more free thoughts and more collaboration.
When you're stuck in one environment, you don't think about these different aspects, how you can utilize someone's application with your own.
We kicked off our event with a welcome reception that enabled everybody to come into town, relax a little bit, take off the jacket,
connecting with my peers, and then always meeting new Hanwha representatives.
This evening, we're going to have a casino night.
I know it's not real money, but still, it was nice, just being able to interact with everyone, have a good time.
Small breakout sessions enable everybody to get more intimate and more hands-on with the technology and the product.
Hanwha technologies and new products that they're coming out with always seem to be innovative.
Being able to actually talk with people that are working with it, developing it, and the direction they're going.
I definitely feel like I got what I came for.
It's an opportunity to bring everybody together and collaborate and communicate about what the challenges are and what Hanwha can do as a better partner to help them in the future.